Hi guys, this is Kashika. Welcome to my channel fashmakestyle. I'm back with another review video about the brand Spinz BB cream. So although it's a BB cream, but it turned out to be a great primer for my skin, and I'm sure it will work best for you guys also. So let's get started with the product review, and we'll talk about why is it a good primer for your face also, under rupees 95 only. So let's get started with the review. So the packaging of the BB cream looks like this. In the front it is written 2x instant glow, then covers spot sun protection, although SPF is not mentioned in the packaging, so really can't say about the sun protection factor. Then on the side way it is written how to apply this from the brand. It costs for rupees 95 for 29 gram of product, which is like quite reasonable, and it has an expiry of I guess in 2 years. The manufacturing is 2018 and expiry is January 2020. So the inside tube looks like this, the rose gold shiny kind of glossy tube, which is quite travel friendly and easy to carry in your bag also. So as you can see, the undertone is really yellow, perfect for all Indian skin tones. It only comes in one shade, but I guess it will suit everyone. So as you can see, it blends easily and smoothly on your face and leaves a nice powdery finish. So now you guys are clear with the packaging and the swatch, how the undertone is. Now we'll talk about why is it a good primer. So the first time when I used this BB cream on my face, it has a very beautiful air whipped texture, like those mousse kind of texture which have air whipped in it. These are not thick in nature, unlike Pond's BB cream or any other brand's BB cream. They're really thick in texture, so you really need to blend it on your skin. And if a product is very thick in nature, it might just crack on your face. You will get dry patches. Like if now I apply Pond's BB cream, it gives me kind of dry patches here and there. Like where I have breakouts, it will be like dry patched on that portion. So those kind of thick BB creams are really not good for your daily wear, but this one is amazing. The air whip texture of this one blends really smoothly, and what is the best part about this one is it has a very nice powdery matte kind of finish. So when you apply this BB cream on your face, you will feel like you have applied a compact over it, because you will feel that nice powdery feeling and a clean canvas on your face. So if we talk about this one as a BB cream, it kind of fails because it doesn't cover any kind of dark spots. Like unlike normal BB creams, we expect them to be medium kind of coverage. At least they cover the basic dark spots. Now we'll talk about why it is a great primer. Is reason number one, it gives you a smooth base. Yes, unlike normal primers, they work as a nice smooth base so that you can apply more foundation and makeup over it. This one works exactly the same. It's smooth texture, air whip texture, the powdery finish really helps you to blend the foundation into your skin. Second reason, it has a nice powdery texture, like you will feel like you have applied a compact on your face. So if your skin is really oily, if foundation kind of cracks on your face, if you apply this one before as a primer and then you apply a foundation, it really helps to mattify your face. And the third reason is the undertone. Yes, this one has a really deep yellow undertone, which all we Indian women want, because we have really kind of dark patches problem and acne breakouts, those acne marks that is left on your face. So it really helps to cancel out that. The yellow undertone really helps to cancel out the darkness, and then when you apply foundation, it gives you a nice clean airbrushed finish. So I also compared the ingredients with my Miss Claire primer. It is a silicone based primer, and 2 and 3 ingredients were the same. Yes, this one is not a chemical free BB cream. It has whole lot of chemicals in them, and 2 and 3 ingredients were the same. So I guess due to that reason also, it is like a nice smooth base for your makeup and act as a really good primer for your face. So now let's see the swatch. I will apply this on my hands, as my camera quality is kind of average. You can't see the difference on my face with this camera, so I will show it on my hands, the undertone, how I applied this as a primer, and how a foundation looks on over this primer. So let's get started with the swatch. So first I will apply this BB cream as a primer. As you can see in the video, It acts as a nice smooth base, so I will blend it into my skin, and as you can see it is easily blending into my skin. Then using a beauty blender I will dab on some foundation and apply it on my whole area that I have applied the BB cream as a primer. And as you can see, the coverage is beautifully layers on the foundation without any kind of breakouts, cracking or any kind of dry patches. So that is it for the review about this baby right here. An amazing kind of primer but an average BB cream. So if you really want to try this one, I will enter the direct link below in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. So to conclude, I would say if you are someone who like basic kind of makeup like basic foundation and blush, and you really want to invest in a affordable primer but you don't want to spend like 300-400 on those expensive silicone based primers, so I would say for 95 rupees, give it a shot. Just try it once. Even though if it don't work as an amazing primer, you can multitask it. You can use it as a normal day cream because it has sun protection. You can use it as an BB cream or a cream to provide you matte finish because it has a powdery kind of matte finish, so your skin won't feel very oily in summer days. So do give it a shot and comment down below what are your opinion about this one. What is your favorite BB cream? I would like to know all your opinions. I have been using various kind of BB creams like Maybelline, Pond's, but I'm never satisfied with the best BB cream till now. This one works as a great primer for my skin type. And that is it for today's video. That's a lot of rambling for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.